Greetings, Divi Nation, and welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have a new, fresh and clean Softball League Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, as you can see, this crowd-pleasing Softball League Layout Pack is definitely a home run in design and versatility. It comes with page layouts for showcasing teams, league resources, registration info, schedules, and much more. The custom images and graphics really work well for any softball league website. And the color scheme is perfect for the softball or even baseball niche, which can easily be tweaked to fit your own brand. So get your new softball league website up fast with this layout pack today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start adding our pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder to our website, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go into the back end here in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Theme Options. Go to the Updates tab there and enter your username and API key. And after that, click Save Changes. You should have access to all of our pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder without any problems. Now to get started adding our pre-made layouts to our pages, we want to go to Pages, Add New. And go ahead and give the page a title. Let's do our home page first. And click to use the Divi Builder. Next, we want to select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and find the new Softball League Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right here. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and when you're ready, go ahead and click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, you can feel free to make any edits. And don't forget to save or publish your page. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of the additional pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts from the Softball League Layout Pack to each one of those pages. And then once you're done and all of your pages have been created with those pre-made layouts added to each one, you're ready to add a new primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see all those pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to your menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. When you're done, don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. After that, you're ready for the final step, which is to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, then Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, make sure and select the home page with that corresponding pre-made home page layout, and then click Save Changes. And there you go. Now your new website is up and running with the new Softball League Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And click to get those notifications too, so that we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.